This is why we should have gone with Roborock. Costs another $100 maybe, but it works. Gee, I wonder what's going to happen this time. Same thing that happened the last 3 times? Yeah. Brilliant design here. It's been almost 3 minutes of this.
Well, do y'all believe in my vacuum cleaner now? This is basically just one whole trip just in the house, and this is what it picked up. And ain't nothing in this garbage can but just the lint. So, yeah, it picks up just about as well as a Dyson. And remember, I vacuumed the high spots of the house the day before I did this with the Dyson. So, yeah. I guarantee I didn't get that much out of the Dyson. This is what I picked. This is what I picked the lint out with. On the bag. I'm just curious as how much it did hold. Now I cannot get that bag spotless, but the majority of it's out of there.
So here's our Roomba J7 Plus moving around our kitchen. we're really happy with it. It does an amazing job picking up dog hair, which was our biggest concern. It's not super quiet, so you can probably hear that it's buzzing fairly loudly. You know, it's okay to have a conversation, but you probably wouldn't want to be on a work call. It also does a nice job mapping out your home. It took it a few tries, but once it did, it's been able to avoid obstacles, and it, after every clean, sends you a note to review any obstacles that might be new or temporary, so it keeps learning. It also cleans itself, empties out its own bag every couple of, I'd say maybe every 20 minutes or so in our home. And that is a really loud noise. So if you have children or pets that might be scared about that, be aware. Overall, we are thrilled with it. Again, the dog hair was the biggest concern, and I think it's done a great job picking that up. As far as the needing to replace the bags, it's gone about 2 months with daily cleanings before we needed to replace. So, and it picks up a lot of dog hair every day.
It doesn't seem to recognize shoes. It is pushing my slipper around. And I don't know if that's just part of the mapping process or I don't know. But it so far isn't doing the recognition that I thought it was supposed to in terms of shoes and cords.
This video is to show you what my old Roomba did on black trim versus the new one. Oops, I have to push this one again. The old Roomba bumps into black. Goes another way. New Roomba, no problemo. Old Roomba, sure, on floors, but will not cross black. New Roomba of the J Series 7 Plus goes across dark colors. The room has to be lit though. Just thought I'd share this.
You can see that the wheels spin fine. It's just the treads that came off.